Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. So this is the live trade. I promise I'm gonna place a trade, and also the signal will be sent to the VIP signal channel. So right now, this is what I have already done in the live video, like the video on the signal synthesis. Okay, I drew this trend line, and also I got a parallel line to it. I got a parallel line to it, and then I put it here. Okay, so when I put it here, I also measured this resistance, and what I said is I need a less risky signal. Okay, so that's why I put SL here, okay, instead of somewhere here, because I know this is the last point. So SL about the last point is going to be best. This is the last point, last high. So I know the market will attempt to react to necklines, which are very close to the last swing point. So that's why I have to, choose this LSO. And so these are the TPs, TP1, TP2. So, when plans are drawn, most time price do leave plan and re-enter plan. So that's what happened. So it left this plan like this, do as if it is breaking out, retest, break again, retest and push high, then come back and break into the plan. And now it's coming to touch the first TP. Is going to hit our first TP, and because this we are still on the same day, so by next day it might keep going down to trigger this second TP. And if we trail our SL, which I'm going to do, we might we might see the price going to this low, reacting to this low, because this market is in a downtrend. It's a bear market. It might come and react to this low. Okay, so I'll continue updating this video as we progress in this trade. So don't miss our VIP. Don't miss our VIP. Most of you think that we are playing. We are not playing. We are making a lot of preparation, and you shouldn't be left behind. Okay. So we are about to hit you can see the differential of volatility 25-1S is 0.63%. Basically, the midpoint of the maximum changes is around the maximum change was around 1.66%. So the midpoint should be 0.8. The market is no longer on a retracement but on an impulse, because a retracement will actually be a halving event. So market will retrace 50% to 60% of full impulse move. So the retracement is no longer a retracement, but this is an impulse. So initially the market actually retraces. The market retraces. Okay, the market retraces to continue the impulse. So the retracement created about 1.60% change in price, positive, plus 60%, 1.60% change in price. So right now, what price is doing is no longer creating a retracement, because when it was buying, it buy with some retracement. So what it's doing is a new change of trend, because instead of just halving to 0.8%, is now trading close to 0.60%. Okay, and we expect more drops. So the price market is heading to the TP, the first TP is heading to the first TP. And if we have this, we have this channel like this. We have this channel here, and then we have this here. Okay, so don't expect this channel to hold. It might hold, it might not, but if I notice change of character, like what I mean by it might hold or it might not is price can come and drop here and start going up. Maybe it might attempt to hit take profit one and fail. So for that, I will monitor what will happen in 1 minute time frame. So if I notice there is change of character in 1 minute time frame, it means like if 1 minute break the last low, this is a low, like major low. If you break it, I'll close the whole trade. At least we get what we wanted, right? So that is the power of managing trade. At least you learn how to manage trade here. I will continue to update this video. Okay. Okay, right now I'm back to the chart. You see the first TP has hit. Okay. All the traders in the VIP made profit. Okay. You see, this is a private account. I can't show you the trade for security reasons. So he's heading to the next TP. So this is around the beginning of the day. This is the beginning of the new day, Wednesday. And so price is heading to take profit too. So today is gonna be bearish, as I think. Like it will first of all be bearish, and maybe when it hit TP2 and get to this line, it might change direction to the upside. But if it have enough strength, it can break and come to this low here. Okay, so if you go to daily time frame, you will see that the day is already bearish. The day is bearish. It's not bearish by itself. It's bearish by the virtue of price action. So this is a flag. It's like this is a flag. Okay, this is a flag. These two candles is a kind of flag. So these two candles, one, two, these two daily candles is flag. So the third day, this rejection and then the third day give us a selling pressure. This rejection is already a selling pressure. So today is going bearish. So I will continue updating until take profit too. But if there is change of character, we will close the entire trade. Okay. If there is change of character before reaching the take profit too. So I'll keep updating. Okay, welcome back to Volatility 251S live analysis and trade. The thing is, I've been monitoring this market overnight, and I discovered that it has changed to bullish daily candle. So we just closed all the trade. So TP1 has been hit. TP2 was near. It was around here. So it nearly hit TP2. Now, this market have a support here. So there are chances that the market will continue going up. Once it breaks this swing, it's shooting to this resistance again. Okay. So the uptrend might be like we have 90% chances of the market going up and going down. Okay. So keep coming to this channel and try to subscribe to our VIP, because you see the signal hold, and that's the power of consistency in strategy. That's the power of deep knowledge. Okay, thank you and bye for now.